Iberia 3164.
London Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Stablo, Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton, Stepford Road, and Leighton City.
Once this 777 takes off, we'll have a look at some arrivals here.
4 coaches.
Going over Windsor Castle.
B1854, Stepford Connect.
Oh, sorry guys, got to tennis.
Leighton City has been cancelled. This is due to
we'll be tuning back very shortly. No, I'm not the boat church. Bear with me, guys.
8. Camera. Drill. 2. Race. Close. Button.
Speedbird 238, go around. Going around Speedbird 238. Speedbird 238, contact approach on 1 tree for decimal 9 or 8. Good day. GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 heavy lineup and wait.
Line up and wait GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 Heavy.
One tree 4 decimal 9 or 8 for Speedbird 238. Finair 1 tree 8 contact London Center on 118 decimal for 75. Good day.
It's British Airways 777 to Hong Kong, yeah.
118 decimal 475 for Finair 1 tree 8.
It's departing now, guys.
Iberia tree 164 wind 140 at 7. Clear to land runway 09 right. Clear to land runway 09 right, Iberia tree 164.
So yeah,
GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 heavy altimeter 29 decimal 8 tree wind 140 at 7. Cleared for takeoff runway 09 right.
Cleared for takeoff runway 09 right GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 Heavy.
Hong Kong.
Iberia tree 164, go around.
There she goes.
Going around Iberia tree 164. Iberia tree 164, contact approach on 120 decimal 4.
There she goes, guys.
Good day.
On our way to Hong Kong. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes.
Going to 120 decimal for Iberia tree 164.
There's a low departure there. Yeah, I'm not gonna.
GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 heavy contact London Center
Mark,
on
she's off to
118
Hong
decimal
Kong,
for
mate. That's where
75.
this ATC just
Good
told
day.
us.
118 decimal for 75
Oh,
for
she's going that way.
GTTNM Bravo Alpha
Oh,
682
she's going that
Heavy.
way for some reason. She's going. Oh, because of. Oh, yeah, because of.
London Center GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 Heavy is passing 1,200 feet, climbing 9,000 feet.
GTTNM Bravo
Oh, she's gone that way? No, because she's going that way because of the airspace. She can't go up that way yet because of the Russian airspace at the moment. There she goes, you can see in the distance.
GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 heavy traffic is 3 o'clock 3 miles at 1,000 feet generic. Report them in sight.
Wow. There we go, guys. She's on her way down to Hong Kong. Safe flight out there.
GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 Heavy have the generic in sight.
There she goes. That's her.
London Center Shamrock Niner Tree, 7,000 feet.
That's her in the distance somewhere. Oh, that's her there. That's her there. Come on.
London Center
Got her.
altimeter 29.83.
That's her there, isn't it?
Continue as
Hong
planned.
Kong flight bound that one. She's going a different way now. So, guys, if anybody lives in Heathrow, and obviously it's local to Heathrow, and then obviously you know what I'm saying. Obviously, I don't think it was wiring into CSM 777 going to Hong Kong. Look, there's a little alien sitting there, whatever this thing is. Very nice, very nice. Oh, well, I see the 777 going over my house. Well, I don't think I'll see it at the moment. Oh, hang on. I'll get them out. I'm not going to focus on her yet until she reaches high up a bit.
Virgin Tree 01 London Center altimeter 29.83. Continue as planned.
Oh my god, that is wrong. That is wrong, guys. That is not right. Why has he gone up the other way?
London Center, generic
No,
India
that's in there,
Tango
but that's
Yankee,
obviously-
2087,000 feet.
BM. Close.
Generic India Tango Yankee, 208 London Center
Oh, so that
altimeter
goes. Let's see what we got.
29.83.
Go see what
Continue
we got,
as
yeah?
planned.
Well, that's in there. I don't know what's there. Right, guys, I think we're going to leave it there. That's actually it then. We'll have to see. We'll have to go right away until we get there. We'll have to stay up all morning until she arrives. So whatever happens, I'll let you know. Thanks, folks. Take care. Thank you. Bye. Just wanted to see. Saying the focus is going to be on too soon. Right. Well, yeah. No, sorry. 09 left. Well, yeah. That's right.
ATC. AT.
Yeah. Thanks, folks.